Is your mobile network option grayed out or not available on your Android phone? That can leave you without signal or data. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step so you can get connected quickly again. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The two most common problems that people overlook are quite simple. You can see from my phone that the mobile networks option is grayed out. First, you will need to make sure your airplane mode is not turned on. To check this, access your control center by swiping down from the top of your screen. Make sure the airplane icon is not turned on. If it is, tap on it to turn it off, and you will now see the option for mobile networks is not grayed out. The other very common problem is that you do not have a SIM card in your phone. Many people use their mobile phones purely by tapping onto Wi-Fi networks without a SIM card. Let me show you. So now my mobile phone does not have a SIM card inside. You can see there's no option for mobile networks. When I insert the SIM card into the phone, the mobile network option appears. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.